What if intelligence didn't wait to be asked? What if it watched, wondered, and acted on its own for months, without a single prompt? This isn't science fiction. It's already running. CoreMind is a cognitive architecture, not a chatbot, not an agent, a system that perceives the world around it, builds a living model of reality, and generates its own questions. It doesn't respond. It notices. 7 layers, each one a distinct cognitive function. Events flow in. A world model coalesces. Patterns emerge. The system reasons about what matters, forms intentions, gates every action, and reflects on every outcome. At its core, a persistent world model. Every sensor, every camera, every API, distilled into a single coherent graph. Entities, properties, relationships, all time-stamped, all signed. The system remembers what happened, and it understands what's happening right now. It knows when to speak and when to stay silent. Quiet hours protect the night. Approval gates guard the dangerous paths. Safety isn't a suggestion. It's hard-coded architecture. Your rules cannot be overridden by a clever prompt. 8 plugins bridge the digital to the physical. Every event is cryptographically signed. Every data point is verified. The world model persists in SurrealDB. Nothing is lost. Everything is auditable. Every event is a cryptographically signed payload. 8255199 signatures. Hash-chained verification. Audit trails that cannot be forged. When the system acts on data, it knows exactly where that data came from. Trust is not assumed. It's verified. It learns. Reflection cycles evaluate past decisions. Confidence scores are calibrated. Procedural rules emerge from experience. The system gets better. Not because someone retrained it, but because it lived. Open source. Self-hosted. 579 tests. 42,000 lines of Python. Running on a single server. Your data never leaves your machine. Your intelligence. Your rules. Every week, the system reflects. A full report on every decision made, every prediction evaluated, every confidence score calibrated. The system doesn't just act. It asks itself, was I right? And it adjusts.